Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel Wearholic, where we help you troubleshoot your Fitbit watches and keep you on track with your fitness goals. Today, we are tackling a common issue that many of you have faced. Fitbit watch won't sync time. We understand how frustrating it can be when your watch is not displaying the correct time. But fear not, because we have got you covered. There can be more than one reason why the time on Fitbit is wrong. I am sharing with you multiple methods to reset the time on Fitbit. You can go through these steps one by one, and I am quite sure that you will be able to fix the issue of Fitbit time sync with them. Most minor issues in electronic devices can be fixed by just rebooting the device. It implies to your Fitbit as well. If your Fitbit won't sync time, you can try restarting your watch as well as your phone to which it is synced. Most of the time you will be able to fix the issue by doing just this much. In order to restart your Fitbit watch, you have to long press the button until you see a Fitbit logo on the screen. It's recommended that you keep your Fitbit watch updated to the latest firmware. Your Fitbit not syncing time can be caused by some bug which can be fixed with a firmware update. So it's better you update your watch to solve the issue. If you don't know how to update your Fitbit watch, then you can follow my lead. Open the Fitbit app on your phone. Now, on the top left corner, tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on your connected Fitbit device. A banner will be displayed on your screen if an update is available for you. If you see the banner, tap on it and then follow the on-screen prompts to update the watch to the latest firmware. You can also try uninstalling the Fitbit app and then reinstalling it on your phone to which the Fitbit watch is connected. Also, make sure you update the Fitbit app on your phone to the latest version. If none of the previous methods work for you to fix the time on Fitbit, then you can try setting your watch as a new device on the Fitbit app. Yes, this method can really help you fix the time syncing issue on Fitbit. In order to set up the device as a new one, you need to first remove it from your phone. For that, go to the Bluetooth settings and check if your watch is paired to your phone. If it is paired, tap on it and choose the unpair option. After that, tap on Set up a new device. Now select the watch or band you want to set up as a new device by following the instruction provided on the screen. When you travel to another time zone from your local one, it is common to have time syncing issues. However, you can fix this issue easily by following these steps. Open the Fitbit app, tap on your profile picture, then App Settings. Next, toggle off the automatic time zone option to turn it off. After that, tap on the select time zone option and choose the correct time zone. With this, you have successfully changed the time zone and your watch will start showing the right time as soon as it automatically syncs with your phone. It is nearly impossible to have the wrong time on Fitbit once you go through all the previous methods. However, if you are still facing the issue, then you can try the following methods. Resetting the Bluetooth of your phone can help you fix the syncing issue with the Fitbit. You can forget your Fitbit device on your phone and reconnect it to see if it starts syncing properly. If you connect more than one Bluetooth device at a time with your phone, such as your watch and earphones, etc., then I would recommend you disconnect the other device and see if it works. If nothing works, then you can simply factory reset your watch. However, it is an extreme step and you may lose some of your important data and settings on the watch. So only go with this method if nothing else works. Thanks for tuning in, fitness enthusiasts. We hope our video on fixing the Fitbit watch won't sync time issue was helpful. From restarting your watch and phone to updating firmware and reinstalling the app, we covered a range of solutions. Don't forget to try resetting Bluetooth, disconnecting other Bluetooth devices, or performing a factory reset if needed. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more Fitbit tips and troubleshooting guides. Stay synced and stay fit.